Hello traders, it's your one and only skill coach Tim Legend, and I'm super excited having you all here today on this one. This is my journey on growing a small account, so I decided to run back to my discipline mode, and I'm currently growing a small account of which I deposited $300. So I'm currently growing a small account and I'm working on my discipline mode because lately I've observed that I've been taking some trades and they weren't going exactly how I wanted. The profits were not as much as I anticipated. And I thought to myself, maybe it's because I've been a bit reluctant about my discipline. So I decided to within myself to go back to my discipline mode. So just relax and watch what I'm going to do and what the things I will do, because I will tell you why and how, and indeed the proper way to actually grow your small account. For those of you who have a little account that's $10, $20, $50, and you want to grow it, watch the things that I'll be doing and I will show you how to actually discipline yourself. As the video is in progress, if you haven't subscribed, why not use that opportunity to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and also use the comment for your relevant questions. I know you would ask, why did you take your profit, team? The reason why is because I'm being disciplined. All right. So basically, the way I'm growing this small account is I'm trying my best to, at least if I make $10 upward, I take my profit, and my losses, I don't let my losses go beyond $3 or $4. All right, $3 or $4. That's what I do in growing this small account. Okay, so actually my deposit was $300. Okay, so when I deposited $300, gradually growing the account, I made a withdrawal of $100. So this was when I made that withdrawal. Here you can see balance 100 minus 100. So that was when I made withdrawal of $100 of my capital, and I'm still growing the account. Now my anticipation is when I grow this account, this $80 to another $100 and above, maybe 150, I'll withdraw another 100. Doing this, I'm gonna do it 3 times until I'm sure that I have withdrawn all my capital. Then what I have in the account is gonna have to be the profits I've made to use it in trading continuously. Now, what are the rules of growing your small account? Number 1, stick to a particular lot size. If you observe, all the lot sizes I'm using is 0.01, 0.01, both in buying and in selling, both when I see good setup and when I see a setup that can be confusing, I stick to 0.01 lot size. How many positions do I open? I don't open more than 5 positions. So when I'm not too sure of the market, I open 2 positions. But when I'm sure about the market, where I've seen multiple confluences, I open 5 positions. That's how I do it. All right. And currently what I'm trading is strictly gold. As you can see under my quotes, I don't have any other thing there. No GBP USD, just strictly gold. These are part of the disciplines you have to put in place. I want to trade just one currency. I want to get used to one currency. I want to know how this market moves more. Because when you're trading many currencies, you're trading volatility index, you're trading step index, you're trading bull and crash, you're trading currency pairs, you will get confused because you don't even know how each of this market moves. All right, so sticking to at least one particular market is important. So for me, I currently stick with gold, and that's what I keep trading. All right, and indeed I have anticipation of where this market is still going. It's still going deeper. Yes, I know. And you'll be like, Tim, so why did you then exit the market? Yes, because now currently the thing is, in the markets right now, the market is being manipulated. As you can see so many ranges happening here and there. You can see so many ranges. All right, the market is just not moving with a decisive pattern. It's indecisive, so it's not something to really risk so much and say, oh, I want to go. No, you need to be careful, because based on what you can see here, you will observe that the market is still in a range. All through here is a range. Okay, so what I actually did was a scalping. Okay, but not necessarily a scalping. I took the trade from where I anticipated a massive sell based on what you could see here. All right. So if I go to setting and turn on trade history so that you could see where I sold from, so you will get to observe that this was where I placed those sell, the first sell and the second sell. All right. So I anticipated that fall because my analysis was indeed here that there was a resistance here. Okay, let's go to the 5-minute time frame or 15-minute time frame. You will see the resistance. Okay, so this was the resistance where all these ranges we are sitting on. Okay, all the ranges we are sitting here. So this was a fresh breakout that was still yet on its way to retest. That was why I anticipated that sell from here. And indeed, I know that very likely is still going to fall deeper and deeper. Okay, I know, because based on what I see, there's still another support level where price is actually heading to, which is here. Okay, so I know market is still going to go deeper and deeper, but I've just taken the profit I want to take for the day, for the day, which today is Friday. So I think I've made enough profit for today. I've already made about $24 plus for today, and that's something I can that's something to manage for today. If I still see another setup, I can decide to trade at least one more before market officially closes today. Okay, so that's just basically how to grow your small account. Stick to a smaller size, stick to a certain amount of positions to open, and trade good setups. Don't just buy anywhere or sell anywhere because you want to scalp. Trade good setups and stick to at least one particular market. All right, one particular instrument. Don't try to trade everything because you want to be an expert. That's not how to grow, because you want to first of all know which of the market is your strength or your weakness. Which of the market are you more familiar with? If you can make money from one particular market, there is no need stressing yourself about other markets. The money is the money. All right, so that is the thing. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask, and I'll see you in the next video.